Before we get started, if you haven't picked up one of these Torx bit sets, you really should. I have to say, out of the half a dozen bikes that I've owned, this has to be the simplest air filter replacement I've ever had on a bike. 5 bolts will remove the cover off the tank, and then 4 bolts from there will get you into the airbox. These are a varying size of Torx 25 and 1 Torx 30. Start by removing the 2 Torx 25 bolts from underneath the front edge of the seat. Next, move to the front and remove the 2 Torx 25 and the 1 Torx 30 bolt from the center. Firmly grab the plastic cover and wiggle it back and forth, applying upwards pressure. This is held on by a few clips along the side plastics that you need to get to come loose. You're going to be a little nervous doing this, as was I, but you'll eventually get it to pop up a bit and you can see it starting to move. Once removed, you can see the clips that will hold this plastic section onto the rest of the bodywork in the bike. Proceed and remove the 4 screws from the airbox. These are all Torx 25 as well, but be aware they are actually quite long. Proceed to remove the airbox cover from the bike. You might have to put a little bit of pressure on the side plastics to get it to come through. It's a bit of a tight fit. With the airbox cover removed, you can now remove the plastic frame that holds the air filter down into the box. Ensuring you have no dirt in there now, drop in the new air filter and make sure you slot it into the grooves on the bottom half of the airbox. Replace the bracket, ensuring their holes are lined up and everything is seated flushly. Now we can proceed to wiggle the cover back in and get that position back on. Once the cover's aligned, you'll feel it drop right back into place. Now there's nothing left but simple reassembly, repeating the steps that we did to pull it apart, just in reverse. After ensuring all the clips are in place on the center cover, carefully set it back down, ensuring they're lined up before you put any pressure on them. A couple simple taps with your hand, and if you have it lined up, you'll feel it pop right back into place. In case you weren't paying attention when we took the 3 bolts out of the front, the middle bolt is the Torx 30, which is the longer bolt. Once those are tight, move to the back, put the 2 screws in the bottom underneath the front edge of the seat, and that's it, you're done. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to follow along for more tips. This summer will be a large 40-day trip to Alaska from Ontario, Canada. Don't miss that. It's going to be epic. If you're into long-distance motorcycle riding, this is the channel for you.